Hi, I'm Floris from XenFans.com, and in this screencast on how to create your own add-on for XenForo, we're going to take it to another step, another level, by simply thinking out loud and saying, it's great that I can put this at the top, but now do I have to create a plugin to if I also want something at the bottom? And the answer is going to be, yeah, sure, you could do that, or no, you can use this one as well. We can just go to our PHP code and create a different case. And that's what we're going to do in this video. So first of all, we're going to increment our plugin again. We're going to just keep pressing that plus button. And we're going to go to Appearance and find out what other hook we can use. It should probably still be filtered on breadth. There we are. And we got a bottom breadcrumb, and it's going to be the add below bottom breadcrumb. Template. Okay, yes, it has a hook, which is awesome, and now we know the name. So what we can do is create another case and give this one, oops, basically the same code. Oh. And we copy this and put it in there. So basically we now have a switch that would just go through each case, and if the hook is this one, we're going to do all of this stuff, and if it's this one, we're going to do all of that stuff. And at the moment the point is to just demonstrate that we can show the same custom template at different locations. So we'll save this and go to our page, and hopefully everything went okay. There we go, we got it at the top because that hook got triggered, and we also got it at the bottom because that hook got triggered. So the update to our plugin, our little add-on, is working. And the next video is going to be about answering the question, but what if I want to have it at the top or the bottom and not both at the same time? So we're going to have to customize our add-on to support that. Okay.